Introducing the ultimate solution for flawless brows, the 4-point eyebrow pencil. With its long-lasting formula and waterproof technology, this eyebrow pencil is your secret weapon for stunning brows that last all day. Featuring a unique four-head prongs design, this pencil effortlessly contours and shapes your brows with precision. Available in light coffee, black coffee, brown coffee, and gray, there's a shade for every brow. I love how easy it is to achieve natural-looking brows with this pencil. Finally, a brow product that stays put all day long. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. And don't forget to check the link in the description to get your hands on the 4-point eyebrow pencil now. Transform your brows with the 4-point eyebrow pencil, your go-to for flawless, long-lasting brows.